Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Kaja sent over their new Juicy Glass lip oils, so I thought in today's video I'd show them to you all and swatch them. 3 of these shades have been around for a little while now, and 3 of them are new, so they sent me all of them. So if you guys want to see how you can get a juicier pout in one swipe, then keep watching. These are the Juicy Glass Milky shades. So here you have the 3 best selling shades, and then there are 3 new Milky shades. These lip oils are going to give your lips hydration, they're going to make them plump, and give you some shine, and you can choose between sheer or milky. These retail for $18. You can pick these up at Sephora, Macy's, Nordstrom Rack, KajaBeauty.com, or on TikTok Shop. So I actually have 2 of these shades because they did send them to me a while back, and I love them. I absolutely love the packaging. I don't know if the camera is really picking it up, but there's this adorable little like heart bead inside. I think it is so cute. So let's get to swatching. I'm gonna do hand swatches first and then lip swatches. First up, I'm gonna swatch Rose Hip Spritz, which is a sheer rose pink. And this is it on the lips. It's very sheer, a little pinky. I love it. It's perfect for every day. Next up is Raspberry Refresher, which is a sheer red raspberry. And here's Raspberry Refresher. This one does have a slight tint of red, and I feel like you can kind of see it. You can definitely see it more in person. Next up is Plum Paloma, and this is a sheer red plum. I'm really excited for this one because I think the color is going to look so pretty. It smells really good. It smells appley. Here's Plum Paloma on the lips. Again, in person, I can tell there's like a red-ish. You can kind of tell on camera. It's kind of hard to tell, but very sheer hint of red, which I really love. Now on to the new Milky shades is Fake Smoothie, and this one is infused with fig extract, which will help moisturize the lips, and it's a milky dusty rose shade. I'm so excited for this shade because I love dusty rose shades. Here is Fig Smoothie on the lips. It reminds me of the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline, so I love it because that is my favorite shade. I think this looks so pretty on the lips with a lip liner. It would be stunning. Next up we have Apple Cider. This is infused with apple oil, which will help moisturize and protect the skin. And it is a milky true red color. This color looks like it is going to be so pretty for fall. This is so pretty. I love the light red tint. If you want to wear red but you're not confident, this is the product for you because it's not over the top, it's not too bold, it's very subtle. It is so pretty. I love it. And last we have Cherry Cola. This is infused with black cherry extract, which will help make the lips look supple, and this is a milky chocolate red. I'm very excited for this shade. Again, I think it's going to be great for fall. It is a true cherry cola color. Oh my god. So this is cherry cola on the lips. I think this is stunning. In person, it's almost the color of Dr. Pepper, but I love it. Perfect for fall. It is, again, just like apple cider, where it sounds like it's going to be bold, but it is perfect for every day. With a brown lip liner, this would look stunning. Let me know your favorite Juicy Glass lip oil in the comments down below. I think these new Milky ones are gorgeous, and of course I love the 3 original ones. Thank you, Kaja, for sending me these. I love them. If you guys have not tried Kaja, you have to. They make amazing products. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That is always linked down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!